Hey everyone, today we're talking about one of the most dreaded pests out there, bed bugs. These tiny insects might be small, but they can turn a good sleep into a nightmare. Bed bugs are flat, reddish-brown insects about the size of an apple seed. They feed on blood mostly at night while you're asleep. They don't fly or jump, but they're great at hiding and moving quickly through bedding, furniture, and even electrical outlets. So, how do you know if you have bed bugs? Here are some signs to watch for. Small, itchy red bites on your arms, legs, or back, often in a line or cluster. Tiny black or brown spots on your sheets or mattress. And in heavy infestations, a musty, sweet odor. Now, let's talk about prevention and control. Tip 1. Check your bed regularly. Inspect your mattress, bed frame for any signs of bed bugs, especially if you've recently traveled or brought in used furniture. Tip 2. Wash and heat. Wash your bedding, blankets, and clothes in hot water and dry them on high heat. Bed bugs can't survive extreme temperatures. Tip 3. Declutter and vacuum. The fewer hiding spots, the better. Vacuum carpets, mattresses, and corners often and empty the vacuum right away. Tip 4. Natural bed bug repellent. Mix a few drops of tea tree or lavender oil with water and spray it on your mattress and bed frame. The scent helps repel bed bugs, but it's only a temporary fix, not a full solution. If bed bugs continue to be a problem despite your efforts, it's best to call the professionals. ASM Pest Exterminator provides safe and effective bed bug removal to help you sleep comfortably again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pest control tips. Thanks for watching.